What is going on, YouTube? We are back with another video. So I picked up a Anderson composite carbon fiber trunk for the car. I've always wanted one of these, so I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna kind of show you guys the install. I won't go into a whole lot of detail. I know there's already some videos out there showing how to install it, so we'll throw it on and I'll do a review and we'll see what we think of the trunk compared to the PP1 spoiler that I already have. So let's get to it. All right, guys, sorry if you can barely hear me. It is windy today here, but here's the trunk. Man, the carbon fiber looks so good. So yeah, we'll throw this on and see what we think. All right, guys, so we have to just pretty much pull off all these tabs right here. I already got them started and pried them out. I don't have a tab remover, so I just used a hammer. And then the next step is to pull out these right here. They're supposed to just unscrew out, but I kind of had to use the hammer again to get it out. And then same thing, pry tool to get the latch out too. And then last step will be taking these two screws out. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll try to record the best I can. I don't have my tripod today, so. All right, I got all the tabs off. This can hang freely. Just popped them out. I'm gonna take these off. There's 3 bolts, and then the rear backup camera. And then we'll swap out all that over to the carbon trunk. All right, and then once you get those 2 bolts out for the rear view camera, it'll just pop out just like that. There you have it. I'll pop this into the carbon trunk. Sorry, it's not focusing. There we go. There we have it, carbon and the PP1 spoiler. I don't know, guys, what do you think? I always liked the PP1 with the gurney flap, but every time I would see these on the street, I always wanted one. So we'll put it on, see what I think. You guys let me know what you think. Let me know, should I keep it or switch back to the PP1. But let's throw this on and we'll see what it looks like. All right, I got the trunk on. I'm gonna tighten these back up. Another important thing is to not tighten these too tight. Don't try to torque them. Just use your socket and twist until it goes snug. Don't apply a bunch of pressure. Yeah, that's the most important thing. I did this by myself. If you do have an extra person to help you carry the trunk, you can, but this trunk is so light, it was not hard at all to lift it on by myself and just line those up to slide these studs in. But yeah, I'm gonna tighten it up and then reassemble the camera and the latch, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, I got the camera back in. Now I'm tightening up these 3 bolts for the latch again. All right, so once again, do not over tighten these bolts. Obviously it's carbon fiber, and don't do what I did. I got carried away, started over tightening on that last bolt, and I could already hear some cracking. So yeah, once you are tightening and you feel it getting snug, and the moment you hear you know, that slight noise of the carbon fiber being compressed, ease off. Do not keep tightening. But let's get this cover back on, and should be about done. All right guys, like I said, it's windy, so sorry if you can't hear me too well, but I got the trunk installed. What do you guys think? Comment down below, what is better, PP1 with the gurney flap, or this Anderson's carbon fiber trunk? I always love the ones that have the deck lid or the duck lip like this one. I was never a fan of the carbon ones without the duck lip, the ones that are just flat. I feel like if you get the carbon trunk, you got to get it like this right here with that lip. Yeah guys, I think I like it. The carbon always looks good. You can't go wrong with carbon. Man, it's hidden in the sun too. Sheesh. Everything fit. Got all my tabs back in. Got a little pressure now to close it, just because it's so light. It's not like the other one where I could just, you know, flick it down and it'll slam close. And she's sitting just right now, especially in the sun. I just need to give her a wash. She's a little dirty. Of course, the tip's dirty. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any tips for washing carbon fiber. I'm assuming you could just wash it like the rest of the car, but I don't want to scratch the carbon fiber up. I already have paint swirls on the rest of the car. My paint swirls are pretty bad. I need a paint correction. Let me know if you guys have any tips in the comments for preventing swirls on these Anderson composite carbon fiber trunks. Yeah guys, that should wrap up this video. Like I said, I wasn't going to go into too much detail with the install. There's already videos out there showing these trunks. They've been out for a while now, but yeah, let me know. Like I said, let me know in the comments how you guys wash your carbon fiber. If you guys wash it like the rest of the car, if you have any tips, and what you guys think. But all right guys, I jumped back in the car just because it was so windy. I don't know if you guys could hear me, but I'm about to wrap up the video. I'm gonna try to start posting more. Like I said, I'll try to get you know, some more, you know, maybe shootouts or some roll nights. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see the you know, shootout content, check out my last video if you haven't. But let me know if you guys want more content like that, where we went to the shootout in Mexico and got to see some pretty fast cars racing, or if you guys want more of a roll night video, install videos. Let me know what you guys like. I don't want to post boring content. But yeah guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.